Okay, we know for sure that the dial feet screws are from the side. So now all the loose parts are taken care of. I'm going to remove the two ratchet wheels. So then we know all the powers from both main barrels. And then I'm going to try to open the bezel on the front and take out the movement. I'm not sure. Oh, of course. I thought it was. I'm not sure if I did an alarm movement, mechanical alarm movement on the stream, but of course we did the Memo Fox for Jägerle Coultre, GG. It is drenched in oil. They're not a member of the Swiss space program, luckily. So we're absolutely sure on both main barrels there's no power left. So the spring inside isn't under tension. Now I'm going to cover this side up. What is that? Oh, it's just a number. So a big oil spill, Rob. Yeah, definitely. Repair numbers. I think it is British Exile. Yeah. Now. Lubricated, but not excessive. Looking good. This does look... Oh, it's a dipstick. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh. Oh my, that is serious. Huh? I'm so glad you're all here with me for some moral support. Look at that. There, the movement, no force whatsoever. It is resting in the lunette, in the bezel. So if I manipulate like this, I hope we can see, there we are. I think the bluish ring is mother of pearl. Is that lubrication as well on the yellow ring? Not too sure. A few marks there, the shiny bits. Oh well. Again, we are watching through a microscope at the moment. This is the camera and you're watching with me while I work on the movement. It's all live. Very exciting for me, as hopefully for you. And I've got some foil, go over it, and now I'd like to remove the hands without any marks, and that's how we like it. The two dial feet and the beautiful dial, the day and the date. I must say this is a very psycho C-clip, don't you think? Oh, first things first. Coffee. There is a recess there. There are two options. Pry it up one by one, or put your screwdriver there and try to pull it out without leaving marks or scratches. So I use the plastic and hope it will not join the Swiss space broker. If I use it like this, very gently comes out. There we are. I have to use an oiler to go in between and to lift it out. There is always the there we are. Lift it out. No stress, no marks. That's how we roll. You can already write your name in there. Interesting. The same setup as Jägerle with these marks. And I must say, this looks very cheap. This spring is probably effective, probably reliable, but not too pleasing to the eye. Oh no, 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 no. Here you can see the teeth for the date ring. So I like to remove this ring so I can secure the date ring. And then we'll have a look to the rest of the movement. BFX, you're absolutely right. I see Psycho influences. I see definitely Memo Fox van Jägerle here. There are some influences, but then again, there's nothing wrong with that. This is kind of strange. The different types of screws, don't you think? That one and that one, that shouldn't be there.